Welcome to room 601 at Westin Turtle Bay on Mauritius. In Mauritius, sorry. There's the heavenly bed. That, as I say so often, but this one is going to be heavenly. I can't wait to get into it. Greeted with bonvoy, of course, and a bottle of one of my favorite wines that they've already discovered. And I've got a selection of sockets. And we come on round. And here's the bathroom. I've got USB ports by the bed, by the way. I think it's a handicap shower. No worry about that. Lots of rails and a garden at the back.